Hi everyone, my name is Katie Sun, and this is my experience this past summer at Bechtel as an innovation engineering intern. So, a little bit about me. I'm a senior studying material science engineering with a business administration minor, and I've done additive manufacturing research of ceramic slurries for a couple of years. After speaking with a friend about what I wanted for an internship last summer, she recommended me the company Bechtel, to which I asked, "What is Bechtel?" And she spoke about how it's an engineering, procurement, and construction company and how it'd be really great for me to get an internship there. So I ended up attending an information session and I got an interview. But at the end of my interview, my interviewer actually said they weren't looking for material science engineers. And that was a little disheartening. But I told them more about why I really wanted to work at this company and more of my qualifications. And upon second thought, they recommended the position of innovation engineer to me. This is what the position of innovation engineer was tasked with. So it was researching and testing new technologies, managing these innovation ideas, and then assisting with the eventual marketing communication of the ideas to the company and public as a whole. The short-term goal that an innovation engineer was tasked with was identifying different rapid prototyping vendors for use cases in construction. And although this sounds super complicated, what it means is that there's a lot of different 3D printers on the market, but no easy way to categorize them to know what's best for your use and most efficient cost-wise. So I was tasked with creating a 3D printer dashboard. Initially, when creating the dashboard, I used Excel and after doing research, categorized it in this fashion. And as you can see, it's not the prettiest graph and it's not the easiest in order to categorize the data to see what you need. So I wasn't really satisfied with this and looked into Power BI. So I ended up using Power BI and LinkedIn Learning in order to learn more about Power BI and created this new dashboard. And as you can see, it's a lot easier to find the data you need and it's a lot more interactive. The long-term goal of an innovation engineer was to design and print different materials and then use different 3D modeling software such as 3ds Max, AutoCAD, and SolidWorks in order to make the models. So even though I've heard of or used these softwares before, I was still challenged a lot in my position in order to create new models. So I did a lot of mesh and pipe modeling initially, and eventually to practice I also made the name tags for some other interns. So I wanted to get more experience with 3D modeling, so I learned ANSYS, and I heard about a project that my team had been struggling with for a couple of months. So it was actually a pipe fitting. So although I can't show you the actual pipe I created, I was really proud of what I created because it required me doing a lot of work outside of work in order to get it accomplished. This internship experience allowed me to hone my professional and technical skills, but most importantly, allowed me to meet like minded peers and professional contacts, without which none of this work would have been possible. Thank you for listening to my internship experience.